Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Here on the Chainlink chart, the price is currently testing key support levels. I'm on the daily time frame at the moment. And yeah, this is now in the short term, you could say, between the white and the yellow scenario. The bulls and the bears are fighting. Currently, the local trend is down, still as before, from the December high. So far, without any successful upside reversal. And the price is currently testing a very important support area, which I don't necessarily expect to hold, but I'm still watching for it. Let me explain. So in the yellow scenario, the price could still form one more high in what I'm labeling as wave 5 of C of a large B wave. B waves are corrective rallies, and in this scenario, the price might form one more high in the region between $38 and $55, maybe a little higher, but given the depth of the fourth wave and how deep the move is, probably that fifth wave might only reach $38. However, I'm only going to watch this scenario to play out as long as we're holding above $14. Why? Because if this indeed is a B wave, then it consists of an A, B, C structure. So initial A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. The C wave seems to be a so-called ending diagonal structure, which is characterized by deep pullbacks. And a C wave should be a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and ideally we get another 4-5. But to be honest, this pullback is already very deep. And in such a scenario, I mean, I can only see 3 waves up. There are just no clear 5 waves. That being said, the price has also only reached the 78.6 extension. The ideal target for a C wave is the 100% extension. Therefore, I'm watching for one more high. However, if the price breaks below certain key levels, like in this case $14, I have to consider that other scenarios are more probable. In that case, I will remove the yellow scenario from the chart, and we will be watching, first of all, for a test of the yellow support region. It is still a relevant support area. The price successfully reacted to it already in August. And we're now coming back to that level here, to that area, but only below $14. I will watch this area specifically. Then the price has support between $6.91 and $10.70, but the scenario will change. We could then still consider a bullish scenario, but the price would need to prove it to me, because I don't necessarily believe that white scenario. In the white scenario, this is a wave 1 to the upside, the beginning of a new uptrend. A wave down, overshooting B wave. Basically, in the white scenario, this rally is part of a still unfolding large correction in a wave 2. And then there is a chance that from here, a major rally starts in a third wave. This is still possible, but I would say uncertain until we see a local long trade setup from down here. This is only a support area, an area where the market needs to make a decision. That doesn't make it a valid setup. Well, it is, but still, after a correction that started already in March 2024, I would prefer to see a reaction first. So basically, a drop into support, maybe a first rally, a higher low, and then this could be, you could long trade this with a stop below the low. And if it breaks, then we are likely in a bear market. Okay, so this is how I would approach this. Looking at the smaller time frame, you can see this key support level at $14 is currently being tested. And from my point of view, it takes a break minimally above $19.87 to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. Against that level, the local trend is down. And we're currently, and we already saw a test of the $14 level. Now at the moment we're trading, while I record this video, we're around $14.70, but the local trend is down. So all that this $14 level is, it is only a level where a decision will be made. It is a key level because the current wave 4 pullback shouldn't really go below it. So if the market breaks below it, then we're dealing with a much larger correction as per the white scenario. And you can see that I'm tracking this as wave C of wave 2 in white. And then the focus will shift towards 1060 to 690, which will then be the next area of interest. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.